So to do a viral cat video, what you will do, go to our ChatGPT, will now tell it to write a well detailed story. So let's say write a well detailed story of, let's say, three characters, of three cat characters, and emotional one. It shouldn't be more than 1 minute. So we'll now send. So this is it. Okay, this is the story it wrote. So I'll just tell it to put it in script form. In script form. So he's writing it as a script. So it will now say bakery, soft moonlight, blah 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 blah. Okay, let me just go through it. So I've read it. So we'll now select it. So we'll now copy. So another thing, we'll now tell it to write a prompt to generate the three cat characters. So it's now writing it. No, it's supposed to write it differently. So it's going to write it differently. So this is Milo, this is Luna, and this is Peep. So we'll now go over to our Chrome. So we'll now go over to our Chrome. And go over to our Chrome. So I'll send the link to you people. I'll send the link to you. So as you can see, this one now, it has 105 stars. So I've used up all my stars. So what I will do is that I will log out. Okay. So this is it. I will log out. So they will not tell when you visit this site first, you'll be asked to log in. You understand? So I will now log in with my another email. So it's coming. Let's wait for it. I think network is disturbing. So we're back online. So it's coming. It's loading. So you can, once you exhaust your credit in one, you can switch over to another one. So I'll now switch over to another of my Google account. So that one they will still give me 500 credits or stars, which I will use to generate. So it's coming. So as you can see, it has loaded. So this is the 500 stars you'll be given. So I don't know how they actually refill your stars. So but at least when you exhaust this one, you can go and use another of your email and log in, or you can create a temporary email. I will show you people how to create a temporary email, but I'll still test it. If the temporary email is working here, then you can create temporary email and be using it. So this is it. This is the AI video generator. So if I click on it, so it will tell me this is the AI video generator. This is it. So if I click on it, I'll click on start now, or anyway, no need. No, this one is this thing, the tutorial. I don't need it. So if I click on it, first time I will highly recommend taking the beginners to, which gives you a clear. So I don't need it, so I'll click on no need. So because the first one I did, when I clicked on it, they deducted I think 60 stars from my points. So the project is creating. So I'm creating the project. So this is it. We are selecting a smart script. So we'll now put in our 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 script here. So you now choose, this is where we put in our script here. So and then we'll now choose our aspect ratio. If you want it to be landscape or portrait, you choose it here. So the minute is here, then the language is English. Then after you come down, you see video style. This is video style. So you choose any style you want. So this our video, want it to be in 3D cartoon. So we'll now choose the 3D cartoon. So after choosing, so we'll now click on next. This is next here. We'll click on next. So it's generating script. So as you can see, this is our script. At bakery align night, 3 cats coils together on rags, where ally departure night, wet street night, ally down. And so the next one now, we said the video is approximately a minute and 8 seconds. So we'll now click on next. See the next up here, you click on it, you click on the next. So this is it. Since we are not a premium user. So you have to generate your characters yourself. So we now have to leave this place, because without adding the characters you cannot go over, you see. So there is no character, so we now have to leave this place. It's already saved in our project, so we'll go back. So you select this, yes, and go back. So then we'll now come to AI character generator. We'll click on it. We already have our characters, we already have the prompt for our characters. The first one is Milo, so select. So we'll now select copy Milo. So since they are cats, so we choose Antru, unknown. So we'll now put our this thing, a medium-sized ginger tabby cat with short. Okay, that's our character prompt. So we are going to choose the style. Our style is 3D cartoon, because that's what you want. If you want Disney, you can choose Disney, but we are choosing a 3D cartoon. Or if you want a realistic character, this is realistic. So but we want 3D cartoon, so we'll click on it. As you're generating it, you're generating with your 5 coin. So we'll click on, okay, name is required, it's true. So the name up here, we'll put it Milo. So Milo, we'll now click on generate. It's generating. While it's generating, we'll now come over here. This other one is Luna, so we'll copy. So even if we leave, the thing is still generating. So we'll come over here, still click on the AI. So put here Milo, Antro, unknown. So make sure that it's still in the same 3D. So no, this one is Luna. The one we're trying to generate now is Luna. So we'll now click on generate. So then we now go to our third character, which is Peep. We'll copy. We'll now come over here. So we'll go back to our AI character. So this one's name is Peep. So we'll now type in the name Peep. So we'll now put our prompt here. So we'll now still click OK, 3D cartoon. So we'll generate it. So as it's generating, so we can still go over here, go to our assets. This is our assets down here. So we can go over there. You will see my project, my character. So you see my project and my character. So this is your project, this is it, and this is the characters you generated. This is Milo, Luna. So Peep have not generated yet, so we are still waiting on Peep to generate. So let's wait. I'm refreshing it so that we'll see Peep's own. You can see all our characters are ready. So we'll now go over to our project. So we'll now click on, this is nothing but everything. So that is the project we are working on. So we'll click on it. It's loading. So this is it. So click on this. This is our characters. So now the characters we generated will come down here. So now this is Milo. So click on this Milo. So we click on OK down. So click on it. So then Luna, see our character Luna. This is Luna. We click OK. Our character is successfully. So this is Pip. We click OK. So now we now click on next. So we click on next. It's saving our characters. So generated 13 storyboards. So this is it. So it's generating. Now you know that okay, let me. So as you can see, our storyboards are ready. You can see the first one is 3 cats coiled together on racks behind a bakery. So this one, Milo shares his bread with little Pip. So this is Luna grooms Pip with motherly affection. So and this is Pip notices a glowing street lamp down the alley. So this is it. Pip thrusts towards the mysterious light. So Luna calls out worriedly as Pip disappears. So you see it. Milo dashes into the darkness after. So we have 13 storyboards. So now you can choose the one you can animate, or you can even decide to animate all of them, but it's only if you are using a paid version that will be able to do that, because see the animate button, because it actually costs a lot of stars. So and you don't have as a free person, you don't have enough stars to animate all. So this is it. You can see it. This one is lip sync per shot, because all these things are all per shot. So if you're animating also, it has selected everything for you to animate. Now if I click next now, they will tell me okay to choose what the one I want. So I will now choose this one and now choose on animate. You can see credit left 345, cost 100 credits per image, need like 955 more. So I don't need it. So I will now animate one by one. So I will now animate some. But if I see another free one that gives this thing, so let's just even try this lip syncing. So we'll now click on animate. Let's say this first one, because I've not actually done the second one where they are eating bread. So I'll now animate, which is this. So it's animating. Then so I'll now look for another one which I can animate to. Animate. So I still have some. This one I should use this lip sync. Animate, because it's where. So then this last part, I should animate this one. Oh, let me even try. So you see I have 45 credit left. So I need, so at least I have animated some. So this one is still, so this is what this one gave me. So now go to okay, this one, the ones that are ready. the family reunites in warm embrace. So this is it. So we'll now click next. Okay, some storyboard are still being animated. Please wait. So we are waiting for it. So I guess the lip syncing did not work. Maybe it's because they are not humans. So but it didn't work. So we just only animated the ones we can with our small star. So we clicked on next. So then this thing came out. So this is the header style. You can choose any style of your choice. Maybe this, it will change to this it will change to this. Then the next thing is, where do you want subtitle? If you want subtitle, this is. If you don't want, you leave it this way. If you want subtitle, you choose how you want your subtitle to look like. Maybe this or this, or maybe this. So you can choose it. Then music, you click on music, then you now select the music you want. Do you want this one? Let's listen. So you can choose this one, or you can even choose this one. So anyone. So let's use this one. So it's already applied, or we can use this one. But we don't want it. So we want this one. So we'll click on it. So I think we're done here. So we'll now click on generate. This is generate. Yes, so we'll click on generate. So I will generating my 69 or 40. We're generating in 16, and we want the full HD. So we'll now generate. The video is generating. So it's processing the video. So while we wait, it's done generating. So this is it. We'll play it. Let's see it.
3 cats curl together on rags behind a bakery. Milo shares his bread with little Pip. Luna grooms Pip with motherly affection. Pip notices a glowing street lamp down the alley. Pip trots toward the mysterious light. Luna calls out worriedly as Pip disappears. Milo dashes into the darkness after Pip. Milo searches under carts for Pip.
So
Milo
this is it.
with desperate meows. Hours pass as the storm intensifies.
What you will do now is, if you try downloading from this download button, they'll keep bringing error message for you. So what you will do is that you click on this playing video. It will come out like this. Then you click on these 3 dots down here. These 3 dots down here. So you click on it, then you click on download. So our video will now download. You can call it Cat Story 1. Cat Story 1. This can actually fetch you a lot of views in YouTube or even TikTok. Like people, that's why we call it viral cat video. So enjoy. It's like a bonus. Thank you. Please don't forget to like, subscribe and share my YouTube channel. Thank you.